Hello viewers, welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. I hope you all are doing great. Today's recipe we are going to see Afghani Malai soya chaap. All the ingredients that we require to make this recipe I have already mentioned on the screen for your reference. Kindly make a note of it. Now let's move on to the recipe. You can easily find ready-made frozen soya chaap sticks in the market. You can call for it. I'm using 5 sticks here. To start, boil the soya chaap sticks in enough water with a pinch of salt. Once they are about 60-70% cooked, remove them from the water and place them in a strainer to dry for like 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'm demonstrating how to cut the soya chaap and separate from the chopstick. Cutting each one into like 4 to 5 pieces. As I'm showing you in the video, you can see that. Meanwhile, heat some oil in a pan and fry the chaap pieces until golden. Then set them aside. Soak some cashews for an hour, then grind them into a smooth paste with yogurt. Be gentle while pulsing the yogurt, don't pulse it too much. Start by grinding 2 spoons of yogurt with the cashews, and then at the last add the entire remaining yogurt. Pulsing just until it forms a fine paste, that's it. Set it aside. In the same pan used for frying the chaap, add a spoonful of butter and saute the capsicum and onions over medium heat for 2 minutes. Don't overcook it, just saute for 2 minutes on high heat and then just remove and set it aside. Slow cooking or over cooking will make it a little soggy. We want it to be a bit crisp and a bit salty. That's why we are sauteing them in butter. After removing the veggies from the pan, add more oil followed by ginger garlic paste or finely chopped ginger garlic will also do, and along with some green chili pieces. Saute until it's golden brown. But be careful not to burn it, otherwise it will leave a bad smell to the entire recipe. Next, add some Kashmiri red chili powder and some salt and coriander powder and some cumin powder. Mix it well. As I said, don't burn the masalas. Keep the flame on low. Next, add the cashew paste along with some salt, as I said, and keep stirring it continuously. I always tell this on my cooking videos that when you add curd in the food, when you're cooking the food and you're adding the curd, then you have to keep stirring it. You have to maintain balance the heat. Once the paste is cooked and the oil starts to separate, you can see in the video the oil started floating on the surface. Then you have to add some hot water and mix thoroughly. By adding Kashmiri red chili powder, you will get this kind of a little reddish or orangish red color on the top. Along with the hot water, add some black pepper powder, garam masala, kasuri methi. You have to crush the kasuri methi before adding it, and finely chop some coriander leaves. Keep mixing it. Just for a minute, just mix it well and then add the fried chaap pieces. Since they are fried, they will absorb all the juices immediately. Just a minute before you putting the flame off, add the sauteed veggies, onions and the capsicum. Mix for about a minute, as I said, and then finally add some cream and blend everything together. That's it. It will become almost dry. I mean, it won't be. It will be very thick. As I said, we don't have to cook the veggies for so much time. They have to be a little crunchy. They shouldn't be soggy. Alright guys, Afghani Malai Chaap is done. Now before serving again, just put some garnish it with some fresh cream. Traditionally, this dish is enjoyed with lacha onions in Delhi side and UP side. For your reference, I have made a video demonstrating how to cut and prepare it. You just have to cut these onions round, and then as I'm demonstrating, just separate all the rings. This I'm telling for those who may not know. Most of you guys I think know all these things. Separate the onion rings, soak them in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and add your preferred seasonings, like here I'm showing you. Add some cumin powder, black pepper powder, chaat masala, and some black salt and the normal salt, and Kashmiri red chili powder just to give some nice red color, and some finely chopped coriander leaves for the garnishing, and some lemon juice. Add all these seasonings and mix it well. You can taste it. If you feel something is less, or you can add according to your personal preference, more or less. Keeping in mind that soya chap contains a significant amount of maida, I won't recommend making it on a regular part of your diet. However, once in a blue moon, having it occasionally is perfectly fine. I would love you to try this recipe and share your thoughts in the comments. If you find my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video.